Sí. Hola.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Good morning from San Pedro.
Good morning.
So yesterday we were up here with my Spanish teacher and we really wanted to show off this beautiful market that we're getting ready to head to.
This market is a bit more of a local market. This one is clearly pretty up high, so not a lot of tourists get to this part of town. So we're gonna take a little adventure.
And I think that there's also a cafe and a viewpoint a little bit further up that we're gonna check out as well.
See you soon.
See ya. We're heading to the market.
I can't wait. I only brought one tote.
Hola. Herbas? Herbas, sí.
Mangos ricos, buenos mangos.
Mangos ricos.
Se llama Tommy, se llama manilla.
Sí.
Son diferentes.
Grande.
Ajá. Tenemos de pasta también, de
What do you think?
Oh, it's chaos today. Absolute chaos.
Yeah, so much busier today than it was yesterday.
Which
but
is
it's
great.
Yeah.
We love that, but just you feel like you're so inconvenient because you're so much taller than everyone.
Yeah. Always in the way.
Yeah.
Hola. I had some donuts. Anything you want here? Hola, buenos días. Buenos días.
chocolate. Chocolate con azúcar y esto sin azúcar.
Okay, we just bought some chocolate, some curry powder, and I think some chia seeds from this beautiful young woman here at the market. And we got invited to show off some of her other products, everything that she sells. So I'm gonna go and stand, show off some of her things you can buy.
Hay honey.
Candy?
Honey, miel.
Ah, sí.
Es miel.
All of that is honey or miel, sí.
En inglés es honey.
En inglés es honey, sí.
Honey.
Honey.
Aquí tengo artesanía para las servilletas, recuerdo para San Pedro, regalo para una niña.
Sí.
Y tengo mi amiga.
It's for napkins.
Servilletas.
Servilleta como
Mango.
para regalo para la madre, para la tía, para la sobrina.
Sí.
Oprah in here. Everyone gets one. Oh,
Oh.
no problema.
Lo siento. We met Encarnacion and it was absolutely beautiful. She is a beautiful woman. We talked about the market and about San Pedro for a while. She asked a lot of questions about us and now we are going to film a little bit more of the market. Hola, buenos días.
Y eso es pesto.
Was just let in by this other amazing shop owner to show off some of the stuff in his little stand. There's so much pottery. There's so many different drums and knickknacks and ceramic stuff, baskets, honey. Everyone is selling honey. You know? Beautiful. Or salsa, you know, take the tomato and
for all your expired makeup needs.
Hey, it's here.
It's here.
Salts and Nikes.
Probably get your socks.
If only those could fit us.
Este es chicharrón.
Yeah, sí, chicharrones.
Es chicharrón criollo.
Ah.
Es todo, es criollo. Es fresco.
Sí, muy fresco, very fresh. Wow, okay, muchas gracias. Adios.
Adiós.
Yeah. You have to come to the market. Everyone is so happy to see that we're filming to promote this beautiful market up on the hill. Everyone wants more business, more promotion. So please come visit this. It's amazing. It's beautiful, colorful. The people are so friendly. You have to come here. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Oh, are these crabs? They have them like tied up like a prisoner. I've never seen anything like that before.
So if you can't tell, there's crabs tied up in leaves to keep them like, I don't even know how to say it.
Not mobile. Less free. How do you say that kindly? Enslaved. This is the heart of the place.
Yeah.
Right here. Hola. Hola, amiga.
Hola. Buenos días. Sí. Hola.
Maybe that's why I'm so gassy. I'm eating a lot more beans than I used to.
Yeah, just casual chicken.
Hay vitaminas, hay vitaminas, hay vitaminas.
Hola, hola.
Hola, amigo.
Sorry, we couldn't do a whole lot of talking when we were right in the middle of it all. But so like we said earlier, there's two markets here in San Pedro. One downtown, right in the center, and then there's one way farther up the hill where we are. And I've only seen like what, one other tourist up here?
Yeah.
Like,
I'm pretty sure it's someone that lives here.
Yeah.
They know about it.
Exactly. So if you're in San Pedro, definitely get farther up the hill, check out this market.
We'll put the proper name and location.
Yeah, it's just the Municipal market. Highly recommend. There's not just food. There's, knickknacks, pharmacy, butcher shop,
This is
clothes.
really where the locals thrive.
Yeah.
This is where they conduct their business, and this is a very authentic market of Guatemala, I would imagine.
Yeah, for
But
sure.
it's so clean.
It's
so
insanely clean.
organized. It's very manageable, even if you don't speak Spanish.
Yeah, and everyone is so happy we're here. They're so happy. Like, believe what you want, right? Whatever's on camera. But off camera, I promise you, everyone's trying to talk to us. Everyone's smiling.
We're
Everyone's
so
happy.
glad we're like advertising this.
Yeah, definitely come here and check it out. So we're gonna do a little bit more exploring.
Try not to knock anybody over.
Yeah, show a little bit more off. So we're not even looking for anything, but that's when you find the best things, yeah?
Yeah. I have an eye.
We said we weren't looking for anything.
2 seconds later,
2 seconds later.
I found the most perfect shirt. It has
Sure.
a martini glass on it. Cocktails!
Wow.
Para hacer un buen caldo de Semana Santa.
Sí.
Jueves Santo, sí.
Por supuesto. Adios.
You're all that thing?
Yeah. It's just a turkey.
That thing's crazy. We made it.
So we just got to the lookout point, and Grace is super happy about all the stairs that we continuously.
I'm not gonna be modest. This is quite the uphill. So if you are walking, wear gym shoes. If you're not, it'll be a long
Yeah,
ride.
definitely take a tuk-tuk if you don't want to walk straight uphill for a little while. So,
This is a volcano, after all.
Yeah.
So
but it's got insane views.
it's
So,
beautiful.
Yeah,
Worth it.
super worth it. It was 10 quetzales per person to for the lookout point. And I think we're gonna go get some coffee after we explore a little bit more. There's like 3 levels to this lookout point, so definitely check it out.
You need a snack.
We need snacks.
I love San Pedro.
They look like mine.
Your fingers?
Yeah.
You're not a green person.
Grace is just saying, these look like Shrek fingers. They're really weird and gross, and they look just like
I
mine.
think you have 2 hands. Show the thumbs. Show the thumbs.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see the sign or not, but it says Café Panorama and points this way. So hopefully it's up here because we are continuously going up. That's where we were.
We were gonna go lower. We're going higher.
All for the name of coffee and good views. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
My hammies are on fire. Oh my gosh, look at these houses.
Over here. That's the cafe.
That's not a house, that's the cafe we're going to.
Well, we're the crazy people who walk up here.
The coolest cafe. Café Panorama outside of San Pedro. On the way to the lookout point, definitely check it out. It's the lookout point here in itself. Crazy view. Gonna have to get the drone out before we go back home. Crazy.
So beautiful.
Absolutely insane views. Also free Wi-Fi.
Worth the climb for sure.
Yeah, definitely worth the climb. Oh, you get our orange juice.
Your turn. Or is it my turn? Your turn?
It is your turn.
Well.
Okay, so I got the typical breakfast, the desayuno típico. We got fried plantains, eggs, beans, cheese, tortillas, typical breakfast. And then Grace got the French toast
Have the first toast.
with all the fruit. So we're gonna dig in here.
Eggs. Fire.
Y huevos también. Wow, amazing cafe. Definitely recommend it 100% wholeheartedly.
Food was amazing.
Yeah.
The view is incredible. I mean, just perfect little spot.
Crazy. So
So,
that's about it for the day. Let us know if there's anything else you want to see around San Pedro in particular. We love showing off a little bit more of the local San Pedro. You know, all of the touristy spots are amazing and touristy for a reason, but we want to show off some more authenticity.
yep.
So please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and let us know in the comments
Your favorite part of the video.
favorite part of the video or where we should go next in Guatemala. What we should show off. We're here to promote businesses in Guatemala and show what it's like to live here. So,
Perfecto.
perfecto. Hasta luego.
We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.